E-commerce tips part number 3. Hi everyone, this is your coach Kherk, and in today's video I will discuss e-commerce marketing tips to grow your business. Make sure your website is easy to use and navigate. Websites that have helpful and easy to navigate make life easier for visitors. Whenever they visit your site, the visitor will build a relationship with your site. If the visitors like how your website works, they will be more responsive to your CTA or call to actions. Spend enough time thinking about your website's user experience and ensure it's as smooth and streamlined as possible. Next, offer various payment options, including PayPal and credit cards. It gives the potential buyers and flexibility to choose the payment method that works best for them. If you need help deciding which payment options to offer, find out what they prefer. Then, invest in good SEO. You need to create high-quality content with relevant keywords and phrases to boost your SEO. And remember to track your progress and see what techniques work best for you, and keep going, but always be flexible and agile. Your business will evolve. Also, your target demographics may change and your sales will hit peaks and through. So, keep going with your advertising and marketing strategy. However, have the flexibility to adapt